and today I am here to present my views on topic leadership qualities for every profession. Everyone defines leadership differently, and I think it's true because every human has a different thinking. So, irrespective of how you define leadership, I think a leader is a person who knows the way, who shows the way, who has a futuristic vision, and has the power to convert ideas into real world success stories. Now, I don't think it's difficult to understand the word leadership because I understand it with four basic rules. First, leadership is all about personal power and not positional power. And the real life example is Mahatma Gandhi ji, who never used his position to lead others, and therefore that's the reason he's remembered till now. Second, influence. Of course, if you have a higher influence on your followers, then they will follow you by heart and not by force. Third, community. Leadership is not only about your friends and followers, it's all about all the members of the community of which you are a leader. Fourth, leadership is personal advancing. That is, it is not an activity, it is a process which converts variation into standardization. Now, if someone wants to be a leader, then he must possess some of the qualities, and there can be a list of them, like honesty, integrity, vision, purpose, resilience, emotional intelligence, good decision making, good communication, inspiring and innovation skills, etc. etc. But I think vision and purpose should be on top, not for me, but for everyone, because vision is the essence of leadership. And of course, you can't blow an uncertain trumpet. Now, when it comes to your inspiring and innovation skills, then if your actions inspire others to do, learn, and dream more, then of course you are a leader. And when it comes to your innovation skills, then in today's fast-paced world, if you want to stand away from the crowd as a leader, then you must work on your innovation skills. Good leaders always have a higher influence on their followers, and they do this by the quality called emotional intelligence. We should always remember that IQ plus EQ is equal to success and only success. So, on my concluding part, I would like to say that leadership is in every sphere of life, and to join the elite club of good leaders, these qualities must be there. At last, I would like to quote that a leader is not a person who create leaders. A leader is a person who create the leaders of leading leaders. Thank you.